So if the price of this course is too much for you, if it's too expensive, maybe you live in a part of the world where the price of this course is a month's wage, we still want to help you out. That's why we called this learning platform Greater Commons. I became a teacher. I'm a professor, a tenured professor in California. I became a teacher because I love teaching. I love helping people. To me, it's the best feeling in the world to just see people forwarding their lives and to share some skills with them and see how it improves their own life. I love helping people improve their own lives and giving them the skills to live a better life. So we named this platform Greater Commons because it's for the greater common good. So if the price of this, it's for the greater common good, right? Greater Commons makes sense. So if the price of this course is too much for you, just fill out the form. There's a link right beneath this email. It'll take you to a form, and it's super simple. You just put in your name, your email address, and give us a little description. Like, tell us a little bit about yourself, you know, like, hey, I'm a single dad. I work a minimum wage job. I want to learn to play the guitar. Just it'll help me manage my stress. I've always wanted to do it. You know, can you get me access for 20 bucks or 50 bucks or whatever price you want to name, or 10 bucks even, right? Or maybe you're like in a place in your life or in the world where it's like, I totally want to do it. I don't even have 10 bucks. Could you do it for $5, right? Like, just put whatever that is in that description on the form, then send it to us, and we'll get back to you and we'll get you discounted access. In some cases, we've even given free access. So we're totally committed to helping other people out for the greater common good. And if you need discounted access, just fill out that financial aid form and we will get you into this class. We will get you into the class because we want to see you benefit and enjoy and learn the guitar and learn from Jeff, because it's a great class. So fill that form out if you need financial aid. If you could pay full price, please pay that full price, because then and you could feel good about paying the full price, because then that allows us to offer discounts to others. So by paying full price, you're helping other people who need it get discounted access. So you can feel good about paying full price if you're able to do that. And if that's still too much for you, just click that link for the financial aid form and we'll get you discounted access. All right, we look forward to seeing you in class.